So check it out. Here's my latest build. It's a Marx 1666 that I bought from the Syracuse show for $5. And so I thought I'd give it a little bit different look. So I sanded off the headlight and as well as the upper marker light there and flattened it out, the front boiler. And I added a 380 pistol shell casing for the headlight. There's a 19-volt LED in it as well as a Mark C7 headlight lens. And then I painted the bell copper. It was missing one handrail, so I replaced that and cleaned it up. I also painted it flat black, and then I hand painted the stripe along the side, the white stripe. And instead of 1666, this one's now number 66. I removed a 1 and a 6 using an X-Acto knife, and then I also removed the side rivets on the cab to kind of smooth it out a little bit. There's a Southern Pacific tender that I converted to a sound of power tender. I drilled holes in it like Marx did so the sound can come out. And I also added some handrails to it, and there's a rear lens to that. There's a boxcar with a Lionel whistle unit in it. And I also have my crane car that's triaxle. I actually used 2 G-scale trucks. And I added scale wheels to it, kind of give it a nice cool low ride look. And there's a revolving searchlight car, and so we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. It has a pretty good smoke unit in it. And give me a minute to get my transformer. Alright, I think we've got it looking really good. It's got a nice unique look to it. It reminds me of the Arcade Natica's Elco number 18. So we got it nice and painted up and got everything touched up. Really happy with it. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.